I've been using the MoneyLion mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the MoneyLion app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the MoneyLion mobile app. One of its standout features is its Warm Money account, which provides early paycheck access, letting users get paid up to 2 days sooner with direct deposit. For those who occasionally need a financial cushion, the app also offers Insta-Cash advances of up to $1,000 without interest, which is perfect for handling unexpected expenses. Another major highlight is the MoneyLion Rewards program, where you can earn cashback on everyday purchases and financial milestones. This adds value for users who enjoy being rewarded for their spending habits. Additionally, the app includes tools like financial tracking and personalized tips, helping users stay on top of their budgets and goals. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, while the app provides many features, some users have reported issues with account verification and delays in customer support responses. Furthermore, while cash advances can be helpful, they may encourage reliance on short-term loans, which isn't ideal for everyone. Despite these concerns, the MoneyLion app remains a strong contender for those looking to simplify their financial management while enjoying perks like rewards and early access to paychecks. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.